They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but sometimes one isn't enough. Instagram is all about sharing your moments through photos, but if you're looking to share your moment through more photos, a collage is what you need. True to its photo-centric nature, you can make one fairly easily on the app. Here's what you can do. If you want to create a more freeform collage, you can create one straight from Instagram's Stories camera. Just open your Instagram app, tap on the Add button, then tap on Story at the bottom of the screen. To start, you'll need to create a background for your collage. You can take a photo inside Instagram's camera, use one from your gallery, or use the Create button on the left. Once your background is set, tap on the sticker icon in the top. The sticker menu will appear on your display. From here, tap on the photo's logo next to the camera logo at the bottom right to bring up your gallery. Then tap on the photo you want to add. Your photo will be added to the canvas. You can tap and drag to reposition and rotate it. To resize it, just pinch to zoom in and out. Feel free to repeat these steps to add as many photos as you wish. With your photo set, you can also use the buttons at the top right to add text doodles and other stickers. Once you're satisfied with your work, you've got two options. If you want to post your collage as a post, tap on the download icon near the top left to save it as a photo to your gallery for you to use. If you want to post your work to your stories, tap on Send To in the bottom right and tap on Share next to your story. For more structured collages, you can download and install Layout from Instagram through the appropriate link in the description below. Once that's done, just start the app and you should see your gallery. Select up to 9 photos, then scroll through and pick from any of the layouts from the row above. Once you see a layout that you like, just tap on it to begin editing. To shuffle your pictures around, just tap and hold on the picture you want to move, then drag it to where you want it to be. To zoom in or out on the photo, just tap on the picture, then pinch to zoom out and spread to zoom in. You can also tap, hold, and drag a picture to adjust what's seen in the frame. You'll find more options to edit individual photos on the tiles below the preview. Once you're satisfied, tap Save. You'll be given the option to post your collage to Instagram, Facebook, or any other app. To share your work on Instagram, tap on the Instagram logo, then follow through your prompts. If you want to share your collage later instead, just tap Done in the top right to save it as a single photo for you to post wherever you like. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.